Okay, so yeah, welcome everyone to the second set of our Tuesday Zoom presentation dito lang sa DMW Live Good. Ayan, so may I share my screen so we could dive into our second set of the business presentation. Yan, okay. Ba't nagkaganito to? Ayan. Okay, so nakikita niyo po ba ang ating slide ngayon? Paki-comment po kung malinaw and the audio para tuloy-tuloy po tayo. Yes, thank you Ma'am Pinky for the response. Ayan, thank you everyone. Ma'am Margie, thank you din. Yan. Okay, so let's dive into our presentation. Welcome, welcome, welcome to this Tuesday morning. Okay, so konting background lang po sa inyong speaker tonight. Yours truly, I am Maria Jeanette Sahonas. Tubong Pangasinan po ako, purong Pangasinense. And my mom is an Ilocana. Kaya lang mas lumaki po kami sa Pangasinan, kaya mas well-versed po ako sa Pangasinense. And then, I built my career sa Baguio City, sa isang telephone company, sa Filipino Telephone Corporation, and then inabsorb kami ng PLDT. I know you are familiar with it kasi existing pa siya ngayon, no? And I ventured into other industry then, like managing hotel and apertel. I also ventured on being a Feng Shui consultant. Mostly sa sales po tayo and marketing. And also, I was a former anchor and promotions at Sky TV, sa Sky Cable. So, naging local TV host po tayo, promoting products and services ng mga bagong companies related sa innovation and technology. And I am a single mom of 4. So, alam niyo naman, pag single mom tayo, ang single mom mahilig mag-racket just to, to feed those 4 kids, no? So we ventured into a lot, and this is not my first company. The first company that I've encountered with, I really like the concept, especially nung natutunan ko na ang concept ng Live Good is leveraging. I fell in love with that concept. It's just that during that time, since single mom ka nga, like yung requirement noon, being in this industry, medyo mabigat. So, we earn, yes, kumita tayo, hindi tayo yumaman. Yan, but it helped a lot for me being a single mom and having an extra income. Kaya, naman, I am again here. I thought last year, I thought I would stop doing this industry not until I saw Live Good again. And currently, I am a platinum rank in Live Good. I'm doing it as a side hustle. I'm doing it part-time but with full-time attitude. So nasa healthcare industry pa rin tayo. I am a healthcare worker dealing with seniors. Nasa recreational committee po tayo. So I entertain them. Yan. And I love my job. Yeah. And on the side, I am also a Reiki practitioner. So it talks more of the energy healing. So rest assured that you will be getting a lot of positivity today, no? So iwanan muna natin, iwanan, ipagpag muna ang mga negativities ngayon, because right now we will be talking about this company, a very positive company, and it has a lot of positive things to offer. So we will be talking about Live Good tonight. Ayan, so welcome to this business presentation. So this month, syempre, I would just like to remind everyone na I'm sharing you the blessings of April. Ginawa natin yan with that sa acronym niya, action. It's time for us to take action. And of course, progress. Kailangan mag-progress tayo maging progressive tayo every single day. Whatever we are doing, whether personal, relationship, career, kailangan lagi may progress. And every day, kailangan tayong mag-renew, no? Let us renew our mind, body, and soul for us to have a very good perspective sa buhay. And you have to get inspiration, of course, from our creator, from friends, at sa mga tao na merong positivity at maganda ang perspective sa buhay. So I'm sharing that blessings to you because it's the month of April. Yan. Okay, so welcome to the company, no? The company that is making waves, making a noise, and it is actually the company na sinasabi natin, it's creating, actually it has created the great disruption. It shocked this industry of multi-level marketing. Yes, it's multi-level marketing, but wait lang, dahil kakaiba ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. It is not the traditional multi-level marketing na alam niyo. So stay tuned, be in the learning attitude, and of course, I would like to request your undivided attention for the next 1 hour or so. So magiging productive po ang ating discussion ngayon because I am so excited talking about it. Yan. And it's here. Yan. Live Good. Welcome to Live Good, the membership that pays. Yan. So, nako, membership, gastos yan. Pero alam nyo ba na ang membership ngayon is the fastest business in the marketplace? Bakit kaya, no? Kasi naka-align ngayon ang economy natin, no? We have to be aligned with what's going on with the economy. Ano ba nangyayari ngayon? Prices have gone up. So ano ang nagiging attitude ng mga buyers natin? Nag-shift din ang attitude, no? Nag-shift yung kanilang attitude as far as buying power, as far as buying is concerned. So me as a consumer, I am doing away from expensive products, di ba? So ang tinitignan natin lahat ngayon is kung saan tayo makakatipid. And I'm pretty sure lahat kayo dito, yun ang hinahanap natin, di ba? Ayaw nating mapagbentahan, pero gusto nating makasave. And that is exactly what we are going to talk about today dahil Live Good has a lot of things to offer about saving and about earning. Yeah. Ayan. So, for the first time in almost 100 years, this industry, network marketing, has just experienced a major disruption. A disruption nobody saw coming, a disruption that shocked an industry. Yes, we will be talking about this industry, but in a different light, in a different face, in a different way. Kaya nga tinawag natin siyang great disruption dahil kakaiba nyo siyang makikita. And why does the timing matter? It matters. Why? Dahil nga ngayon, with the existence of social media, people have been bargain hunters, no? So timing, dahil ito pa, if you have your previous network marketing company before, or maybe meron pa rin kayong ginagawa ngayon, no? The old model does not work anymore. I'm sorry to say, it does not work anymore because again, sinabi ko po kanina, yung nangyayari sa economy natin. So, pag mataas ang inflation, affected din ang buying power ng money natin, no? So, timing ang pagdating ng company na to because with the old model, 95% of people don't make money anymore in this industry. No, timing ang pagdating ng company na to because people are already sick and tired of paying for expensive products every month, no? Nag-change na ang buying habits ng mga tao. We wanted more of affordable na hindi mako-compromise yung quality. We all want that, right? And because most people quit network marketing in the average of 2.8 months or 3 months. Kaya timing na timing. Why? Timing is everything, no? So I assure you, you are in the right place at the right time. The question is, will you be the right person? So malalaman natin yan after the presentation, pag dumating yung time na magde-decide ka if you want to take off with us. Yan. Okay, so with the old model, ito ang ayaw nilang malaman nyo, no? Na in the old model, Actually, there is no network marketing success anymore, or very limited, or not even, no? And this industry, the old industry, I mean, the old model of this industry has let you down. Or maybe hindi mo alam, no? Because talaga namang maganda yung concept ng ganitong industry. It's just that yung old model does not work anymore. And probably, pwede mong sabihin na, oh, this industry did not work for me or do not work for me. Now, if you have all those reasons na binanggit natin, I assure you na it's not your fault. It is all because of the old model, no? Yan, so ano ba yung old model, Janet, na sinasabi mo? Malalaman niyo po yan habang ini-explain po natin siya. But today, I would like to welcome you to the revolution, no? The revolution that, from the own words of Nader Kazan, he said, the days of selling overpriced products just so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are finally over. Finally over, tapos na. Tapusin na natin ang expensive products. Tapusin na natin ang overpriced products. Tapusin na natin ang price gouging. That's why Live Good is called a revolution. Ngayon, habang tumatagal yung discussion, madidiscover nyo bakit tinawag nating revolution si Live Good. Okay? Now, at this point, I would like you to forget anything about your idea or maybe yung concept ng traditional MLM. If you have experience in the past, kalimutan niyo po muna yon, no? So, I would just like to say, what if you could forget about everything you've ever known about network marketing? And what if you never had auto ships, no? Kalimutan nyo ang auto ship sa dating company. What if wala tayong auto ship? What if itong pag-uusapan natin ngayon walang auto ship? And what if ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is pagdating pa rin sa auto ship, you could order what you want, when you want, whenever you need it, and because you want to, not because you have to, not because sinabi ni company na, nako, kailangan kang mag-order kahit hindi mo kailangan. What if pag wala na yon, you just have to order kung kailan mo gusto, kailan mo kailangan, at kailan mo, how do you call it, kailan mo siya feel i-order, right? And what if when you did want to order, you don't need, you only need to pay $9, 15, and 18, not $70 each item, huh? Not 70, 90, or $130 per item. Paano pag meron ng ganon? No? And what if you never had to change your people at the end of every month to place an order? You don't need to call your partners. Nasasabihin mo na, oh, remind ko lang, you need to order this, you need to maintain your rank, at kailangan mong i-maintain yung ganitong points for you to be able to get commission. What if wala na yon? And what if, eto na, if it didn't cost you a fortune to get started, na pag nag-umpisa ka, wala kang heavy entry packs, wala kang products na, ang tawag nito, yung products na nilagay lang, basta may product, nagkakaroon ng front loading of products. What if may company na wala nang ganon? Diba? And what if you never had to fill your pantry with expired products ever again? So dahil nga naka-auto ship ka, every month, obligado ka nga na mag-purchase. So kakarating lang ng products mo. After 2 weeks na debit na uli yung card mo, and andyan na naman paparating, hindi mo pa ubos yung yung previous products na dumating sa iyo, na punong-puno na yung pantry mo, punong-puno na yung room mo, dahil nga required na mag-purchase ka because of that old model, no? And what if people just didn't quit? Ano kaya pag merong company na nag-e-exist ngayon na actually hindi ka talaga mag-quit once na maintindihan mo siya, right? And what if it was just easier? What if may dumating na company at ito na nga, no? What if all of this was possible? And yes, dumating na nga siya. It is possible now. And I assure you, no hype, walang sales talk, walang hard sell. Possible na possible dahil dumating na ang company to. So it's possible for you, it's possible for me, and it's possible for all of us. Yan. So introducing again, Live Good. Live Good. Yan, no? The first to market membership club in network marketing. It is driven by a subscription, so subscription model siya, and it is the company that decided to fix the broken network marketing model. Why broken? Kasi nga hindi na nga siya naka-align sa nangyayari sa marketplace ngayon. Again, I would like to formally welcome you. Welcome to Live Good, the membership that pays. Yan. Membership that pays. Yan. Okay. So, bakit membership that pays? Because it is a membership club. Just like I said, it is driven by subscription. Walang auto ship. You could order what you want when you want at almost cost price. No chasing of ranks and volume every month. No starting from zero every month. No paying thousands to get started, and no more people quitting. Once you understand this concept ng ating membership club, no? Yan. So, ito lahat ang features ng membership club natin. Although I'm very sure hindi ito yung first time na narinig ninyo ang membership club. We all resort to membership club because membership is the fastest growing. It is the fastest growing business ngayon in the marketplace, no? Everything nasa membership na. Why? Ano ba ang perks ng membership? Usually, typically, generally, ano ba ang meron sa membership? You get discounts, number one yan. You get points, no? Points pag nag-iipon ka ng points, may special freebies ka. I'm talking about the general, yung totality ng membership clubs in the market as a whole, no? So ano pa, merong exclusivities. Yan. So ano pa, pag naipon yung points mo, then probably may ibibigay sa yung special price, special discount, or even a special gift, no? So yun ang features ng membership club. Now, the good news about our membership club na binanggit natin, it does not only give you the feature na makasave ka, which we will be talking about later. Ang isang feature ng membership club ng Live Good is it pays you. That is our edge, no? Saan ka nakakita ng membership club na babayaran ka? Tell me, sa mga membership na alam nyo, meron na ba kayong nakitang membership na binabayaran kayo on top of you having savings, having exclusivities, having perks, or having loyalty points, di ba? Yan. So, wala uli akong sound? Wala po ba akong sound? Sabi ni Ma'am Lourdes, wala daw. Meron. Okay. Ma'am, baka yung sa inyo po ang walang sound, hindi nyo na-activate yung volume po ninyo. Okay. So, ayun, going back to the membership, no? So, yun, we have something others don't have. This membership pays us. And of course, napaka-importante na makilala nyo kung sino ang responsible sa membership club na to. And I would like to give a highlight on this kasi alam nyo, everything rise and fall on leadership, no? So, ibig sabihin, pag magaling yung magpatakbo, then alam natin na magti-take off tayo. Pag ang corporate team or yung mga founders o yung mga nasa itaas ay medyo sketchy, medyo shady, medyo nagtatago, then we would know na it will not last long. So, pinaka-importante po na makilala nyo ang ating corporate team, or we call them the disruptors. Yan. Okay. So, again, Live Good is the fastest growing network marketing company on the planet. And the brainchild of the company, si Mr. Ben Glinsky, the CEO and founder. He has a lot of companies na run, no? He have a huge experience in this industry. In fact, I was in his previous company before. SBC, Skinny Body Care, na ang product namin is actually a weight loss product, no? And anong tawag nun, nasa old traditional MLM. Actually, si Ben is not only, by heart talagang network marketer siya. And then he has a lot of companies and he is a consultant, so nagko-consult din yung ibang mga companies sa kanya, and he is also an IT guy, no? So ibig sabihin, hindi lang siya basta hindi lang niya pinut up ang company nito na hindi siya prepared, again because he has a background. Naging CEO din po namin siya sa SPC. And during the time, doon po niya nakita, na-observe, na-discover na this industry pala, sabi niya, habang niraran niya yung company na yun, he found out that there is only 1 to 2% ng distributors ng industriyang to ang kumikita ng only $3,000 to $5,000. Sa industriya yun, na average 1 to 2% lang ng distributors. And then 4 to 5% ang kumikita ng $300 to $500 monthly. So sabi niya, saan napunta yung 95% ng distributors sa industriyang to? He found out that 95% sa industriyang ito, I mean, I'm talking about the old model, no? Hindi kumikita at all, or even mas worse is naabonado pa yung distributor. So sabi niya, it does not deliver anymore on what is supposed to be. Kasi nga napakaganda ng network marketing to. But then yung model kung saan pinapattern, hindi na nga naka-align dahil sinasabi natin, sabi niya that you build your team 2 to 3 years and you will get a residual income. Pero hindi nangyayari, sabi niya. So, it is hurting people. Nasasaktan ang mga tao. It is even hurting a single mother na gusto lang magkaroon ng extra income. Doon ako nag-resonate ngayon because, syempre, nung binanggit ngayon, it's true. Like, real talk to. Tama. It hurts a single mom na naghahanap lang ng extra income, pero dahil abonado siya, ano nangyayari? Nag-quit siya in 3 months dahil hindi na niya ma-afford yung heavy auto ships. So, ano ang nangyari? Ben walked away from the old industry, from this industry. He retired. Pero ito ngayon, iniwan ba niya ang company niya? No. Alam niyang ginawa niya to make sure that his distributors are well taken care of, nakipag-collab siya sa isang company kung saan nagra-run pa rin sa old model. Hindi niya close yung company. Kaya, integrity-wise, Ben Glinsky really has an integrity. So, yon ang isang nakapagpa-join sa akin sa LiveGood, no? And of course, the comp plan. And knowing Ben, being with him in that past company niya, so alam mo talaga na this person will take care of you. This person knows how to make people win. Diba? Yan. And ngayon, si Noder Kazan naman, who is our Director of Network Marketing, he is a legend of network marketing. So matagal silang nagsama ni Ben. Siya actually ang nangulit kay Ben na, why don't we come up with a company wherein people have an access of affordable products? Yan, doon din niya in-expose na ang isang product pala, pag pinamanufacture, would only cost you $8 to $10. Imagine, one product, 8 to 10. Pero pag pinasok na sa network marketing, nagiging times 10 or times 12. So, Noder Kazan is actually a whistleblower. In-expose niya yon. So, sabi niya, why don't we come up with a concept na magkakaroon ng affordability at access ang mga distributors na hindi sila mapaprice gouge. Yan. And since they are trendsetter, they watch ano ba ang trend ngayon? Ano ba yung patok ngayon sa masa? They found out that it's membership. It is the membership club na pumapatok ngayon sa marketplace. So sabi niya, why don't we incorporate a membership club or a subscription model sa company natin? O, di ba? So, yan, nag-collaborate sila. Ang pinakamaganda niyan, Again, we have Lisa and Dr. Ryan Goodkin. Pagdating sa wellness, they are really passionate. May health clinics sila. And of course, si Lisa, meron siyang background sa science and nutrition. So when it comes to healthy living, healthy diet, ano ang dapat na ilagay mo sa katawan mo, ano dapat yung proper diet, ano dapat yung ginagawa mo, kinakain mo, Lisa is the go-to person. So very well versed sa dyan. And of course, with Dr. Ryan Goodkin, yung husband ni Lisa, who is the director of development, no, product development and formulator natin. He has a unique background of being a pharmacist at the same time as a natural health practitioner. At ang maganda, the passion of this couple, especially Dr. Ryan, anong sabi niya? I formulate products not to sell but for my family to use. So, ibig sabihin, hindi commercialize yung mga products natin. They are made, kumbaga, they are formulated with love. They are formulated with heart. So, the synergy of this corporate team, the synergy of Ben, Nodder, Lisa, and Dr. Ryan Goodkin makes me realize that we are in good hands. Diba? Yan. And of course, ibig sabihin nun, this true leadership can create success, not only the company, but also for those people who are diving in. And that is us. Lahat tayo na andito. So with that alone, gusto kong makita ninyo ito, ma-appreciate nyo, ma-internalize nyo that we are in good hands, no? So I could talk about a lot of things sa disrupt, sa mga, sa corporate team natin, no? We have, they are hands-on, they have a passion, and they have love. So, pagdating dito, they have a system, and you cannot manipulate a system with human factor. So, ano yung human factor na yan? Their passion and love for this industry. Yan. So, let me tell you, what created Live Good a Revolution is the value. No? The value, hindi lang sa mga products natin, but of course the value na mismong makikita nyo sa corporate team pa lang, bawing-bawi na tayo. So sa mga nagda-doubt dyan, we are scam, hindi totoo ang Live Good, ako na po ang magsasabi sa inyo that we are in good hands. Okay? No hiding in the bushes. Diba? Yan, of course, kailan ba na itatag si Live Good? Kailan siya na-launch? Noong December 2022 sa Jupiter, Florida. And we have more than 1 million members. Actually, before yung December 22 na yan, I think it was August, sa US muna sila, only for the membership, as a membership club. Pero itong December 22 na to, global na nila in-introduce. So, on top of the membership club, no, merong special affiliate program na in-infuse doon sa membership natin. Malalaman nyo yan later on sa second part. Yan. So, we have more than 1 million members. That is why we've rocked this industry. Bakit? Kasi ang Live Good is the fastest network marketing company in the planet and who has done 1 million members ever. The first time ever sa history ng network marketing. O, di ba? Yan. Of course, being in this model, members save big with our, of course, yung membership model natin. Kaya nga tinawag natin na ang Live Good is membership that is a membership that pays, no? And we have, actually, this is more than 1,112,000. More than na to. I think we're running 1 million and almost 150 million members na, and we are rapidly growing. Ang maganda sa membership club natin, very flexible. We could do it monthly or you could do the yearly. So yung yearly, syempre, may freebies yan. Free yung 2 months mo. So if you really want to work on it, I would suggest that you take the yearly dahil may savings ka na 20%, libre yung 2 months mo. Okay, now what sets us apart sa ibang memberships? I'm pretty sure itong nakikita nyo sa slide ngayon, very familiar kayo. Or maybe ginagamit nyo. We have YouTube, ano ang meron sa YouTube. Once na nagkaroon ka ng membership dyan, no? So, pwede kang mag-download, pwede kang mag-edit, pwede kang gumawa ng mga videos mo sa YouTube, no? And we have Amazon Prime. So, dito tayo actually nag-pattern, no? Sa Amazon na nag-umpisa lang siya noon sa books in his own backyard with 250,000 na capital, and look at Amazon ngayon. Sino ba siya ngayon? He started with books and he has everything now under the sun, right? And magkano ang membership niya? Monthly or yearly din? Netflix, no? Si Netflix, dinisrupt niya ang cinema. We can watch Netflix, we can watch different movies. Yung mga na-miss nyo a few years back, kahit 1970 pa yan, or yung mga old movies noon, makikita nyo sa Netflix, no? Yan. So, Sam's, meron ding wholesale club wherein you get huge discount. Costco, magkasama yan. SNR, it is also a membership club company, no? Yan. So, ano ang perks ng mga yan, or anong meron sa mga yan? You get huge discount. I am a member of Costco for 8 years and na-enjoy ko. Even if I pay $120 per year, sa tingin nyo, nababawi ko yan sa mga items pag bumibili ako? Of course, yes. So, meron akong isang example na lang. Itong ginamit kong headset. I bought it for $69 sa Costco. Ngayon, nung gusto kong bumili uli para sa anak ko, bumalik ako sa Costco, wala na. Pinapunta ako sa mall. How much na sa mall? 130. So, I save pala 50% na. No? Dito lang sa item na to, how much more sa mga kailangan ko sa bahay. So, ma-appreciate nyo ang membership club because you will really save big. And of course, itong Disney Channel, same as Netflix, only that ang pinapakita nila are movies na produced by Disney. So, ano actually ang message ko dito? So, given all those examples, plus makikita nyo, tignan nyo yung mga members ng mga binanggit ko na companies. There are millions, 30 million, 200 million, 230 million members, 47 million members, 123 million members, 42 million members. Ano ang ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin yan, very promising ang membership club. And actually, kung nakikinig kayo or nagbabasa kayo or nagbrowse kayo kung ano ang future ng subscription, it will be, or actually it is the future of commerce. And it is on upward trajectory. Ibig sabihin nun, marami pang company ang mag-shift sa membership. So, ibig sabihin nun, we are just only 1 million plus members. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin nun, kumbaga, nagwa-warm up pa lang tayo. We are in an upward trajectory. So, sa lahat ng mga andito, congratulations. You congratulate yourself dahil andito na po kayo, and we know that this model gonna really work, right? Yan. Okay, so just like Amazon, who started with books, Live Good started with wellness products. Yes, tama po, Coach Philip. We are just on the foundation, no? Yan. Okay, so we started with 20 life-changing products, and we started with wellness products. But take note, hindi po tayo wellness company. The reason why we introduce wellness products, it is because of the signs of times. It's because of COVID. Nakita nyo naman yung pandemic noon, right? Na huminto talaga ang mundo natin. So, ginamit din, inintroduce din ang mga wellness products because this world is so sick. While it is true na advance yung technology natin, nasasakripisyo ang health natin. Yung 5G na yung sa internet ngayon, too much radiation na, lalo na lahat ng business ngayon nasa cellphone. What do we get? We are so much exposed to radiation. So, ibig sabihin nun, pag exposed ka sa radiation, prone din tayo sa sickness. And we know that our body is the best doctor. But in order for you to have a healthy body, dapat meron kang strong immune system. And this is why we introduce wellness products, no? At hindi lang basta-basta wellness product. They are made with the highest quality, the most natural ingredients and purest, high grade, physician grade, and they are manufactured from the most pristine locations on the planet. Siyempre, world-class manufacturing facilities. And our products are made in the USA. Yan. And of course, certified by the GMP and USDA. And of course, lab tested for purity and potency. Okay, Sir Virgil, yes. Okay, good evening po. Ayan, Sim Enthusiastic. Ayan, hello po, Coach Glo and Coach Ria Atienza. Ayan, good evening po sa inyo dyan. Now, gusto ko lang pong banggitin to, no? Yung GMP and USDA, GMP Good Manufacturing Products or Good Manufacturing Practice. Before ka ma-certify dyan, merong 5 components yan na kailangang pinagdaanan ni LiveGood para ma-certify siya. People, are they highly qualified? Check. Premises, yung laboratory, malinis ba? Check. Processes, paano ginawa? Paano prinasas? Well documented ba? Check. Ano pa? Procedure, no? Yung procedure. Kung nagdi-deviate ba o kaya kung may deviation sa processes, paano ginawa? Nire-record nyo ba? Check. So, andyan yan, no? Andyan yan. And of course, yung products, yung raw materials, saan galing yan? Saan minanufacture? Malinis ba yan? Check. So, check lahat dun sa 5 components na yon. That is why we are certified by GMP. And of course, approved by USDA. Nako po, napaka-importante din yan. And what's more, no? Bukod dyan sa mga yan, meron tayong Certificate of Analysis. Ano yung Certificate of Analysis? It is a document. It reassures na it meets the specific need ng consumer, no? Kung ano yung andyan, very transparent. Kailangan ko ba to? Ilang percent to? Pasok ba sa akin to? Itong ingredient na to, andito sa product na to, ilang percent, okay ba sa akin to? So very transparent sila. Wala tayo ng proprietary blend. Ibig sabihin, full transparency tayo. If you see some products, may nakalagay na proprietary blend. Why proprietary blend? Ibig sabihin nun, they cannot disclose everything kasi baka natatakot sila na ma-reformulate yung kanilang product, ma-duplicate yung kanilang product. With Live Good, wala tayong ganon. They could reformulate, they could duplicate our product and we don't have to worry about it. Why? Because very confident sa Live Good na hindi kayang ibigay ang presyo natin, hindi na-compromise, hindi na-sacrifice yung quality ng products. And actually, yun talaga ang natin kumbaga ito talaga yung pinaka-feature, yung pinaka-best feature ng mga products natin because we have the Certificate of Analysis. And what's more, ito pa 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. 100% guarantee na pag dumating yung time, within 90 days, tinikman mo, hindi mo nagustuhan, hindi tumalab sa akin, ayoko nito, pwede kong ibalik. No questions asked, ibalik nyo yung empty bottle, i-refund po sa inyo ng Live Good. How is that? Saan ka nakakita ng ganyang company? Have you ever tried na no questions asked, ibabalik? Well, sa Live Good, meron tayo niyan, no? Yan. Of course, we will not be having a product demo, but we will be discussing some of the products na ni-launch this 2023 and a little or maybe a nitty-gritty information about it para mas ma-appreciate nyo what we have. No? Yan. So, napaka-importante yon, no? Number 1, we have the CBD pain relief cream for chronic pain. Main ingredient, cannabidiol. Ano ang cannabidiol? It talks about cannabis. Ano ang cannabis species? It talks about, ano yan? Anong mga meron dyan? Marijuana? But we didn't use marijuana. We have hemp plant. Pareho kasi silang nasa cannabis species. No? Only that marijuana is addictive. Pero ang marijuana ginagamit for medicinal purposes. But we didn't use marijuana. We use hemp plant dahil mababa ang THC and of course, hindi siya addictive. So maganda for chronic pain. Actually, meron din tayong CBD oil yan for anxiety, anti-anxiety, and depression. Yan. ang perks niya, no? So, we have energy and focus patches. So, ito nilalagay lang sa, hindi ko na ilagay ngayon sa wrist natin or any part of your body na konti ang buhok, no? Maganda ito if you need focus o kaya ang nature of job mo kailangan ng energy, endurance, focus, maganda yan. You would start feeling the effect after 30 minutes na nilagay mo siya. And of course, meron din tayong sleep patches. So kung kayo po ay nahihirapang matulog, then this is good for you. Yan. So patches lang yan nilalagay dito. Yan. Number 3, we have collagen peptides. As we age, kailangan natin ng collagen dahil nagdi-deplete ang collagen natin. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body na habang nagkakaedad or nagmamature tayo, nagdi-deplete yan. Kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng brittle bones, nagkakaroon tayo ng hair fall, nagkakaroon tayo ng sagging skin dahil depleted na as early as 30. Bakit din nagdi-deplete ang collagen natin? Exposure sa pollution, exposure sa radiation. And especially sa inyo dyan sa Pilipinas, no? Nasa tropical country, masyado kayong exposed sa sun, kaya mas mabilis din ang pag-deplete ng collagen. Kaya nga po ang daming collagen dyan. Collagen coffee, collagen soap, lotion, powder, lahat na may collagen. But the good news is our collagen is hydrolyzed. So, ibig sabihin, madalang i-absorb ng body. Pag hydrolyze ang collagen, fast-acting siya. Dahil nga, madali, highly absorbable. And of course, we also have type 1 and type 3, no? So, pag more than 2 types na ang collagen, ang nangyayari nun, mas may water, hindi na siya nagiging effective. No? Hindi na siya nagiging fast-acting. So, ang maganda niyan, ang ginamit sa collagen natin is the bovine collagen, the collagen na nanggaling sa cow. Bakit yon? It is the most effective and it is similar to our human collagen. Kaya ginamit is bovine collagen. Okay? Yan. So napakaganda po ito, not only externally pero internally. Maganda po ito sa joints, sa bones, sa cartilage, sa ligaments. Bukod dun sa labas na pang-anyo, sa skin, sa nails, sa hair. Yan. Okay, so yun yung laging challenge natin, especially for us mature women, no? While we are going on our PMS, so nagkakaroon tayo ng hair fall. Yan. Okay, so we also have methylene blue nootropic dissolving strips. So maganda ito for brain health, no? Cognitive function. Alam nyo ba na dahil nga too much exposed tayo sa radiation, tayo may brain waves, nagkakaroon ng nai-interrupt din yung ating mga yung brain waves natin, no? Yung frequency. So kung minsan kahit na alam mo ano ba yun, parang nagba-buffering din yung brain mo, no? So we need the methylene blue because this is good for cognitive function. And alam nyo ba na as early as 45 ngayon, pwede ka nang magka-dementia. At napakahirap po ng dementia na sakit. I tell you, I have one senior, 97 years old. Grabe, pag nagka-dementia siya, dumarating sa point na nasa ibang mundo sila. And we don't want that happening as early as 30, as early as 40, right? So you need to supplement yung brain natin, no? And we have creatine and HMB, which is good for muscle recovery, maganda for female and male, no? Hindi lang sa mga nagwo-workout. Maganda po ito for everyone. So why are we even talking about this? Pwede ka namang kumain ng fresh fruits and vegetables. No. Alam niyo po, ang supplementation is actually kailangan natin kahit na may healthy diet tayo because we need to have sufficient nutrients, vitamins, and minerals in our body. Health is not a passing trend. Wag kayong mag-supplement kung kailan may nararamdaman kayo. You need to supplement, especially pag ikaw ang breadwinner ng family dahil yan ang pinakapuhunan mo. And of course, kayo din po na talagang gustong magtrabaho ng sobra-sobra, wag nyo hong isacrifice yung health nyo. Health is non-negotiable. Having all this non-supplement is non-negotiable. Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin to. No? Yan. Of course, bukod dun sa mga products na nabanggit ko, we have essential oils. Ano ang advantage ng essential oils? Bukod sa nakikita nyong ginagamit siya sa spa, bukod sa nakikita nyong ginagamit siya saan pa? Sa aromatherapy, sa Ayurveda. Maganda po kasi ito para sa hormones natin. Yung hormones is actually, yun yung part ng sa body natin, yung cell natin na responsible for yung magsasabi sa'yo na pag malungkot ka, yung hormone mo, yun yung nagsasabi na parang sumusunod yung emosyon mo. Pag natatakot ka, yun yung hormone mo na nagsasabi na nagki-create ng emosyon na matakot ka, ganun yun. So, ang essential oils, maganda ito to trigger your hormone para hindi ma-stress, para maging alive yung mood mo, no? And of course, our essential oils can be used topical, pero kailangan nyo ng carrier oil dahil highly concentrated siya, no? Aromatical, ibig sabihin, gumamit ka ng diffuser, lagyan mo ng tubig, i-dilute mo sa tubig, and then may smoke na lalabas, and then pag naamoy mo siya, it would give you the feeling, sasabihin ng hormone mo, parang relax ako. Ganon po yan. And of course, oral, pwede din natin siya i-take orally. You just have to follow the instruction. No? Yan. So, ang daming benefits ng essential oils natin. Of course, very affordable. Yan. A lot of products are coming. We have household products. So, palitan nyo lang yung brand ng mga household products nyo. Vitamins for children coming up in less than 2 weeks. Of course, our detox products. Yan, marami dyan. And of course, weight loss product. And again, binanggit po natin to kahapon. We are not only launching a weight loss product, but we're launching a weight loss system. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi lang yung stand-alone na product. Once na ini-launch yan, nako po, hindi lang ganyan yan. May ituturo pa sa inyo paano gamitin yan. Ituturo pa sa atin ano yung mga recipes. Ituturo pa sa atin kung ano yung mga product na i-combine natin para magamit natin yung weight loss na yan to maximize or to optimize our health. Yan. Okay. So, yan. New weight loss product coming soon. Under $20. This is really a very huge talagang, ay nako, talagang life-changing din ito. Ang weight loss industry is a $1 billion industry. Ngayon, nasa 300 billion industry siya. Pagdating ng 2025, ang sabi, papalo yan hanggang $399 billion. No? Yan. So, ang good news is, yung ating weight loss product, no? Remember, sinabi ko po kanina, yung previous company ni Ben, ang product lang namin is the yung weight loss yung weight loss na yan, skinny fiber ang tawag doon. So merong 3 ingredients yon, and it is very effective. I can tell you effective din yun sa akin, no? So meron siyang 3 special ingredients for you to manage your weight, no? Ngayon, itong product na ilalabas dito, binanggit ni Ryan nung sa teaser niya, bukod doon sa 3 ingredients na yon, merong additional na ingredients na talaga namang it would mean na very effective siya. And ang price is under 20. Alam niyo po ba kung magkano yung weight loss product na yon? 2016, it's $69 per bottle. Ngayon, enhanced, mas maganda, under $20. No sir, it's not only for girls. Maganda po ito. This is for lahat po. Alam niyo kung nakita niyo yung one day papakita ko sa inyo yung brochure dati ng SBC, male and female po yun. Ano po to? Ibig sabihin nun, ano siya, it doesn't matter kung ano ang gender mo. This is for all, no? Pinakita lang po dyan yung yung ano, yung puso ng babae. Yan. Kasi usually mga babae ang affected sa obesity, and I admit that dahil I myself also has excessive weight, no? Yan. Okay. Basta matataba. Kayo naman, be gentle naman. Basta po may excessive weight, no? Kayo talaga, pag excessive weight po ba, matataba. Ayan. Ayan. And ngayon, abangan natin anytime from now, the whey protein isolate. No? Ayan. So, under 30 yan. Alam niyo yung protein dito, I am buying it for like almost $50. So, meron na tayong, ano yung isa na plant-based protein, right? So, ngayon, meron tayong whey protein isolate. Nako po, diniscuss nila kahapon yan. Usually, ang protein kasi ang hirap i-digest. Kung minsan, anong tawag nito, whether whey or yung nasa market Ngayon, ang kakaiba sa atin, we have the whey protein isolate. So, merong ingredient yung protein natin na madali siyang i-absorb ng katawan at i-digest. Tapos meron pa siyang colostrum. Alam nyo ba kung ano yung colostrum? Di ba usually sa atin, sa mother yan, no? Yung first milk ng mother. Pero dito, yung first milk ng bovine, ng cow. So, may bovine colostrum din po ito. Bakit uli bovine? Dahil usually yung nanggagaling sa bovine or sa cow, very similar sa humans, no? Yan. So, ay nako, excited ako dyan. So, aabangan ko yan today, no? Yan. Okay. So, under 30, woo! At saka chocolate flavored. Yan, yung dati meron tayong vanilla. So, kaya nila nilagay ang chocolate kasi may mga preferences din yon ng user. Kaya ako, I am not so much of sa vanilla, pero gusto ko ng chocolate, no? Yan. Okay, so, ano pa lang yan? Patikim pa lang yan. Hindi pa natin binanggit yung mga ibang products, no? How do you order the products? As a consumer or as a retailer, I'm sorry, yan, as a consumer or as a member. So, syempre, pag consumer ka, you pay retail low prices. But for members, they pay even lower prices. So, is it worth it maging member? Yun ang tanong ng bayan. Okay, of course. Syempre, bakit ka pa mag-member kung hindi worth it, diba? So, syempre, ipapakita natin later, no? Live Good members save up to 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies, meaning ang price natin, pag kinumpare mo sa ibang company, makakasave ka ng 75%. Meaning, yung savings mo na yan, pwede mong gamitin sa ibang bagay, right? Ayan, o, di ba? So, ano ibig sabihin yan? $1 save is $1 earned. Parang na-earn mo na rin yan. Bakit? Dahil nga nakasave ka, magagamit mo sa iba. Yan. Okay, totoo ba yan, Janet, na 75% ang matitipid ko pag bumili ako o kaya pag kinumpare ko sa ibang company? Ito na, tignan nyo na po. Essential oils, $49.95 sa atin. Tignan nyo ibang company, $209 and $252. Ilan ang savings? 76% and 80%. Huwag na nating banggitin yung company, basahin nyo na lang. No? Sinabi ko na ang features ng ating essential oils, yung benefits niya, napakaganda. No? Yan. So we have super greens. Lahat ng mga greens na kakailanganin natin, compact na. Halimbawa, ganito ang kailangan mong kainin na malunggay sa isang araw. 5 kilo para ma-meet mo talaga yung kailangan mong vitamins and minerals. Kaya mong ubusin ang 5 kilong malunggay? Hindi, di ba? Spirulina, ganitong kilo ang kailangan mo. Kaya mo ubusin? Hindi. Pero itong super greens natin, andyan na lahat ng greens na maisip mo. You have moringa, the miracle plant. You have ashwagandha, spirulina, yung antibacterial natin. Ang dami-dami pang ingredients ng super greens na yan. Only for $18. Competitor price, $70 and $100. Ilan ang savings? 74% and 81%. Huge, di ba? Huge, huge. Collagen. Magkano collagen natin? $27.95. Ibang company, $70 and $80. Ilang percent ang savings? 60 and 65%. Creatine, $19.95. Sa ibang company, wow, $65 and $49. Ilan ng savings? 70%. Saan ka pa? Diba? Yan. So sa tingin mo, hindi ka mapapabili sa Live Good? No? Yan. O, tapos na tayo sa price natin compared sa iba. Mag-compare naman tayo sa member and retail price. Tignan nyo po vitamins ng male at female, $9.95. Members price. Retail price, $15. Ilan ang savings? $5. Coffee, $17.95, $25. Ilan po yan? 18 and 25. $7 savings. Ultra magnesium, $8.95 versus $15. Mga $6. So, CBD oil, $15. $26. D3K2, ilan uli? Roughly, nasa $5 hanggang $8 ang savings natin pag member ka sa isang product alone. Ang tanong, bibili ka ba isang product? Of course not. Sayang ang shipping. And tignan nyo yung mga products po na andyan. Ultra magnesium, kailangan po natin yan because it is responsible for 300 chemical reactions in the body. Pag kulang ka sa magnesium, then ang nangyayari, you are prone to have serious illnesses like high blood pressure, heart ailment, diabetes. So kakailangatin po natin yan, yung ultra magnesium complex. Yung multivitamin, alam niyo po ba na yung multivitamin natin is the fast or the number one na sa lahat ng sales, no? Yan ang pinaka number one na product. Very, alam niyo, ang daming benefits niyan, especially for women. Kailangan po natin ng iron, no, to compensate our menstrual losses. And yung vitamin for men, kailangan nila ng selenium for their prostate health. Kaya magkaiba ang vitamins dahil magkaiba ang needs, ang physiological needs ng babae at lalaki. So, I want you to try that dahil napakaganda po siya. I have one leader, I don't know kung andito siya, si Coach Rosa Milla, na-impress yung doctor niya sa blood works niya. And he is only taking multivitamin and collagen. For years, syempre may family doctor po kami dito, no? Sabi niya, very impressive ang result ng blood works mo. Anong tinitake mo? Multivitamin. That's how it works, no? Yan. Of course, isa pa na very promising at talagang napakaganda is our International Wellness Pack. Kompleto na po yan. 6 na very effective or very, talagang ang benefits niyan, talagang value for money, no? Yan. So members price, $89.95, $129.95 ang retail price. This alone, $40 na ang savings mo. Pag kinumpare nyo po yan sa ibang company, aabot po yan ng $240 plus. So ilan ang nasisave po natin? It's even more than 40. Baka ang nasave mo dyan nasa $100 plus. Kaya you really get a value of your money. Value is what created Live Good, a revolution. Yung value mo for money, no? So I would like to encourage you guys to buy this International Wellness Pack. It is shipped internationally. Wala pong shipping charge. Free of shipping. Ang kakailangan nyo lang bayaran dyan is the tax. Like sa Philippines, magkano lang? Nasa 100 or hanggang 200 pesos po, no? So, I highly recommend this one. Yan. So, ngayon, nakita nyo na ang perks, ang benefits, ang features ng mga products natin. Might as well become a Live Good member. Diba? O 112 lang daw, sabi ni Sir Reese. Imagine, 112. Di parang nanggaling lang dyan sa local, diba? So, appreciate yung product natin, no? Yan. And how to become a Live Good member. Maybe na-sold na kayo dun sa mga binanggit ko na benefits ng mga products. You might as well want to become a Live Good member. So you only need to register with your sponsor's link. Sino sponsor nyo po? The person who introduced Live Good sa inyo, the person who sent you a link, and maaring yung person na nagregalo sa'yo ng any of the products. Now, ano ang meron? You only need to pay 9.95 per month or 99.95 pag paid annually, at may 2 months free ka if you paid annually, right? Yan. So, tignan nyo ha, you only need to pay 9.95 per month. Ilan uli ang savings nyo po sa isang product? Average nasa 5 hanggang $8. So, bumili ka lang ng product na dalawa, bawing-bawi ka na. So, yung 9.95 per month na yan will be your access para sa affordable products. So, i-appreciate nyo yan. 9.95 for you to get a member's price sa mga products natin. I-appreciate nyo yan dahil ang isang product nakakatipid ka ng $5 to $8. So, bakit hindi ka mag-member? Bakit hindi ka mag-invest sa health mo? No? Yan. And of course, being a Live Good member, you buy products at wholesale price. Ito na yung sinasabi ko po sa inyo. No? So is it good to invest on our health? Definitely. Because health is the new wealth. Diba? Yan. Okay. So, tapos na tayo. So I hope you appreciate the first part ng presentation natin, yung value. Again, what created Live Good a revolution is the value for money. And we are only speaking about yung value ng pagiging member ng Live Good or pagsusubscribe sa Live Good for you to have an access sa affordable and high quality products. The good news is, bukod sa pagiging member mo, no, bukod sa pagkakaroon mo ng access sa Live Good to have a wholesale price products and high quality products, meron uling inattach na affiliate program ang Live Good, no? So with this affiliation program, you will have the opportunity to earn $2,000 or more per month, no? Now, sino ang gusto ngayong kumita ng 2,000 or more per month sa affiliation program ng Live Good? Yan, si Sir June. Yes, si Sir Ma'am Eden. Yes, okay. So, I'm pretty sure. Ako po, sabi ni Ma'am Magda. Yan, of course. Who doesn't want a business? Who doesn't want an extra income? Who doesn't want a side hustle? Diba? Yan. So, maraming salamat ho sa mga sumagot. And of course, for those interested in earning with Live Good, you have to stay for the second part of the presentation. And of course, I would like to request sa lahat ng mag-i-stay to have an entrepreneurial mindset. Magkaroon po tayo ng mindset ng isang negosyante. Okay? Yan, thank you po. Huwai, yan, Jovi, yan, lahat po kami. Oo nga, kaya po kayo andito. Ayan, ayan, thank you. Coach Jovi, Ma'am Jovi, and Sir Joseph, hello. Yan, Eden, Sir Erwin, thank you. Ma'am Emelita, okay, let's dive in for the second part. Okay, syempre sa affiliate program, you have to become an affiliate member, right? So, paano yan, Janet, pag affiliate member ako? You only need to have, to buy a 12-month membership and get 2 months free. So, either you pay $49.95 or $139.95. Paano yun, Janet? Whether you would choose the $49.95 or $139.95, minsan ka lang magbabayad ng $40. One time, lifetime. Okay? $40, one time, lifetime. Plus, every month, magbabayad ka ng $9.95. Janet, bakit magbabayad ako ng $9.95? Hindi bang usapan natin para magkaroon ka ng access for the wholesale price ng mga products, you have to have $9.95. You have to subscribe $9.95 per month. At di ba, binanggit ko din sa iyo na makakatipid ka ng $6 to $8. So, huwag mong intindihin yung $9.95 na yan dahil yan ang ticket mo for you to have a wholesale product. So, ibig sabihin yan, that one is talagang very valuable. Wala yan pag nakita mo yung benefit. Especially pag naging healthy ka na, naramdaman mo ng maganda ang katawan mo, nangyayari sa katawan mo. Ano yung 995 kapalit ng pagiging healthy mo? Ano sa'yo ang pagbabayad ng $590 kapalit ng pakiramdam na maganda, kapalit ng pakiramdam na may peace of mind ka dahil wala kang sakit? Remember, pag nagkasakit ka, remember nung pandemic, walang kwenta ang pera, and we are only talking about $9.95. 500 pesos lang, kapalit ng peace of mind, kapalit ng pagiging healthy mo. I hope you will get the value of that, no? Yan. Okay, so $49.95 or $139.95 for you to start this business. And we mean global business, not only local but global. And I mean 230 in 230 countries. No? Saan ka makakakita ng negosyo na 3,000 or sabihin na natin 7,000 to 8,000 ang business? Sabihin mo, sari-sari store, pwede ako dyan. Ano kaya itsura ng sari-sari store mo sa 8,000? Food cart business, magkano ang food cart? Yung permit pa, yung taong sisweldohan mo. At pag nagkasakit yung taong sisweldohan mo, ikaw magbabantay. Pag nagkasakit ka dahil gusto mo makatipid, wala kang sale dahil nagkasakit ka. So I want you to realize that 3,000 pesos for an international, for a global business. Para ka nang nag-franchise sa Live Good niyan with only either 3,000 or 140. So paano ko makakapag-franchise dyan? Malalaman nyo later. Okay? So with that, 49 or 140 or 139.95, ano ang benefits as an affiliate? Syempre, number 1 dyan, yung access mo sa membership club natin, wholesale product, high quality ingredients, right? Digital products. So, ano ang kapalit? Syempre, digital tayo, online tayo. Meron din tayong digital marketing products. We have 3 replicated websites. Corporate website, retail website, landing page website. Corporate website, ito yon, bibigyan ka ng sarili mong back office, personalized website. Andyan ang pangalan mo o yung gusto mong ilagay na name. Corporate, makikita dyan yung site mo na merong, ang tawag nito, members price and retail price. So ipapakita mo yun sa mga friends mo kung kanino mo gustong i-share na makita nila ang difference ng members price at retail price. With your name, of course, may naka-slot dyan. livegood.com/ kung ano yung pangalan, June Alcaide, ganon, or kung whatever yung username na ginamit nyo. Okay, so and then after that, kung meron kayong second replicated website, yung retailer website nyo. Kung ikaw ay may pusong reseller, may pusong talagang nasanay ka na sa benta-benta, then you will have your own replicated dropshipping site. Familiar sa Lazada? So para kang merong Lazada shop, merong Amazon shop, merong Shopee website, nakalagay dyan ang pangalan mo. Uy, Mare, alam mo, maganda ang kape namin. Saan ako makakabili niyan? Pumunta ka lang sa retail site ko. I-click mo lang yan, Mare. I-add to cart mo, i-deliver na ng Live Good sa'yo. Yan ang retail website nyo. Okay? Siyempre, may retail commission ka. But, you are not required to sell kung gusto mo lang naman. Right? Yan, number 3. Ito na, yung Live Good landing page site. Ito ngayon ay yung site kung saan pwede mong i-share ang business, local or global. Mare, may na-discover akong opportunity dito. Andito ako sa Canada ngayon pero ang ganda nito. Nasa US siya ngayon. So, share ko lang sa YouTube. Panoorin mo to, 5-minute tour video yan. Mag-business tayong dalawa, international. Encourage your friends. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? Each person na bibigyan mo ng landing page mo, para kang nag-franchise ng Live Good. Why? Because on that part of that replicated site mo, dun mo ngayon ma-appreciate yung leveraging. You multiply your time through others. Every person na masisharean mo, anong gagawin niya? I-share din niya. So para kang nag-build na ng branches mo all over the globe. So dapat ma-appreciate niyo po ito ha. We are only talking about the digital marketing products. Wala tayong physical products, no? Kasi hiniwalay ang compensation plan sa product. Kaya hindi tayo driven na nakadepende sa sale. No. Remember, you can only buy the products when you need it, when you want it. No? Yan. Kaya wala tayong front loading of products, wala tayong but we have a digital products. At alam nyo ba na sa paggawa lang ng website, it would cost you around 50 to 100,000. Magkano uli ang binayaran ninyo? You will only pay 3,000 or 7,000. Andyan na yung website. Saan ka pa? Naku po, hindi ba pinapalakpakan yan? Yes, ang ganda po talaga ng e-commerce. If you really have to adapt, change, otherwise mapag-iiwanan po talaga tayo. And it's not too late. Learning is a continuous process. Okay, number 3, benefit ng pagiging affiliate. You participate in the compensation plan. Ang compensation plan natin, simple, doable, duplicatable, powerful, and lucrative. Generous. Pag-uusapan natin yan later. Janet, eto pa. Paano naman yung commission ko dyan? Hay, naku po, very flexible. You could do direct deposit sa banko mo. Wala akong banko. May crypto wallet ka? Wala akong crypto. Okay, wala lahat. Meron po tayong nakadesign dyan na dashboard. Kumbaga yan yung pinaka-bank book mo sa dashboard. Ilalagay dyan as credit wallet. Paano ko naman ma-encash yun? Naku po, napakadali. Naisip na ni Livegood yan. Reach out to your leaders. Reach out sa mga nangangailangan ng credit wallet. In demand ang credit wallet. Okay, palitan mo naman yung commission ko. May $50 ako. Magkano yan? 2,400. O sige, ipasa mo sa akin yung credit wallet. Peer-to-peer. Papalitan ko ng cash. Sa GCash mo, bigay mo sa akin ng GCash. Oh, di ba? So naiisip na yan ni Livegood, no? Very flexible. Kaya no excuse na hindi ka makaparticipate dito sa affiliate program. Okay, now, ito na. Makinig kayo dito ha, please. Be in the learning position. Okay, so we have, syempre, sabi nga, if you have a dream, you have to build a team. Kailangan ng teamwork dito. And daming palakpak at heart, okay? So, the compensation plan, syempre, if you have a dream, you have to build a team. We work here as a team, no? Regardless, gaano karami yan o kaliit sa umpisa, let's build a team, okay? So the compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful unilevel and force matrix hybrid. We have 2 genealogy, the enroller tree and the matrix tree, no? At magra-rank up din tayo dito, may promotion din tayo. Of course, the higher you promote, syempre, the higher your income. Now, hindi lang tayo unilevel. Kasi ang unilevel, sponsor ka ng sponsor, sponsor ka ng sponsor. So, ang nangyayari doon, mabagal pati yung doon sa team. Hindi mo natutulungan dahil you get to sponsor only. Ang maganda is we have the matrix kung saan, once we sponsor people, we also are placed in the matrix. Kung saan doon talaga tayo nagkakatulungan sa matrix. No? We have a 2x15 matrix. So, 2x15, 2, and then 2 wide, 15 levels deep. Spots are filled from top to bottom on a first come, first serve basis. No, on a first come, first serve basis. So, ulitin ko ulit, ha? So, merong call for urgency yan, no? Mas maganda if you lock in dahil mas ma-appreciate yan later on because those people who are already there, yung mga bago, they will be placed under those person who is already there. Or kung sino yung mga naka-enroll na, syempre, pag merong bago ulit, they will go under that person. On the matrix, okay? On the matrix. So, nagkakatulungan lahat. Yan. 15 levels deep tayo. And we have 8 ways to earn. So, ito po yung 8 ways to earn. but we will be tackling on the weekly fast start, the matching bonuses, and the matrix commission. All other else, mabilis na pong ano yan, i-tackle yan, no? So, in passing na lang natin babanggitin. Number 1, quick money is the fast start, or could mean the fast start bonus. With every person na introduce mo yung LiveGood using your LiveGood, using your landing page, for each person na mag-enroll sa iyo as an affiliate, meron kang $25 each. Whether 49 or 139, meron kang one-time $25 commission. Janet, gaano ko katagal i-accomplish yan? Nasa sayo yan kung mabilis o mabagal. Okay? So, kung halimbawa, na-accomplish mo tong 4 na to next week, then you have $100. Paano pag isa lang? Then you have $25. So, it is being paid weekly. Kaya tinawag na fast start. The good news about the fast start bonus, no? 10 levels deep yan. Kasi may promotion tayo sa LiveGood. We always start with unranked. Ang first rank natin is bronze, the most favorite rank, yung bronze. And how does it take to be a bronze? You only need to have 2 people, the 2 of your most favorite people, bronze ka na. So once na bronze ka, bukod dun sa $25 mo, na-open yung level 2 mo, meron kang additional $5. Paano yun, Janet? Ikaw po yan, nag-sponsor ng 2, bronze ka. So, meron kang $25. Yung 2 nyo po, mag-i-sponsor din yan dahil gagayahin ka niyan. Gagayahin din kita, gusto kong mag-bronze. So, mag-i-sponsor siya ng 2. So, yung na-sponsoran mo, meron siyang $25. Ikaw, na indirect sponsor, hindi na ikaw ang personally nag-sponsor, you will get additional $5 sa second level. So, as you rank up, na-open yung other levels mo hanggang level 10. So, other ranks, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. So, makikita nyo dyan yung breakdown na on top of the $25, depende sa rank mo, na-open yung level mo, nadadagdagan yung commission mo or your overriding commission. Okay? Yes po, Ma'am KE. Okay, i-email, message nyo po ako mamaya sa messenger. Okay, so dito sa fast start, based on the rank you are in, will determine how many levels you can earn each week. Again, depende sa rank po natin. Okay, so mabilis lang ang fast start. Each direct, $25. As you rank up, depende sa rank mo, na-open yung level mo, nagkakaroon ka ng overriding commission on top of your direct referral bonus or your fast start bonus, given siya weekly. Number 2, nasa number 2 na tayo, retirement money or the matrix commission. Bakit retirement money? Because the matrix will develop over time. Ano itong matrix commission? Matrix commission are 0.25 cents from each active member that pays their monthly membership of $9.95. Bakit nga uli nagbabayad sila ng $9.95 for them to be able to have an access sa wholesale price products natin? Sa bawat tao, sa bawat subscriber na nagbayad ng 9.95, meron kang 0.25 cents from each active member. So meaning sa matrix commission, ganito yan. Once na naging affiliate ka, lahat ng affiliate merong sariling matrix. And yung matrix mo, papasok dyan yung mga subscriber under your organization, whether direct or indirect. So, ito pa, ang maganda sa matrix natin, no? So, it always follow the enroller tree. So, sino yung mga taong papasok sa matrix mo? Pwedeng yung mga directly na sponsor mo or pwedeng hindi. Pwedeng yung mga taong na-sponsoran ng enroller tree mo. Who is your enroller tree? Yung upline mo or yung upline ng upline ng upline mo. So, anybody falling on that enroller tree. No? Yun ang mga papasok dyan sa organization mo. Okay? So, 0.25 cents sa bawat taong nagbabayad ng subscriber under your organization or following the enroller tree. Yan. So, ibig mo sabihin, Janet, sabi mo, pati enroller ko or direct, is it possible pala na mag-income ako even hindi ko siya directly sponsor? Yes, They are called spillovers. But take note, ito pinaka-importanting malaman nyo to ha. Spillovers are bonuses. I would like to say that. They are bonuses. Why? Kasi possible na ang bonus na yan pwedeng mabilis na magka-spillover ka, pwede ding mabagal. No? And this part of the compensation plan is your slow way to build the business. Kaya iklinip ang matrix commission is for those people who are having a hard time to recruit. But sa umpisa, hindi po ito, how do I call it? Kung magninegosyo ka, hindi siya enticing, hindi siya talagang, you will start small and then later lalaki siya. Now, for you to be able to have a fast matrix commission, you need to work it out too. So dalawa ang pwede mong gawin dito. Either you work it out or not. If you work it out, mas mabilis ma-fill ang matrix mo. If you don't work it out at maghihintay ka lang and spillover waiter ka, then ang mangyayari is huwag kang maiinip. Because this one will develop over time. Kaya nga tinawag na retirement money. The good news is, eto, you are building your residual income. And I would like to compare that sa SSS. Nagbayad ka, naghulog ka ng ilang years? 10 years, aantayin mo ang 65. Kahit na natapos mo na yung 120 payments, kung hindi pa, it's not yet time for you to retire. Wala ka pa sa retirement age. Hindi mo makukuha. Ganun yun. But, ang kaibahan naman nito sa SSS, you don't have to wait for 10 years. Depende na lang kung paano mo siya gagawin. Depende na lang kung paano mo ititreat ang negosyo mo. But if I were you, kung talagang tinitreat mo siya as negosyo, might as well do it fast. And focusing on the matrix commission is not the right way to do it because there is a better way to do this business, the fast way. We are talking about the slow way because this is the weakest part of the compensation plan. Huwag kayong mag-focus dito because this is just the bonus, no? This one will be life-changing in the years to come. Pero kung ngayon at nag-uumpisa ka, do not focus on this one. Dahil ganito po yan, no? Ayan, ganyan ang itsura ng matrix. Power of 2, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, and so on and so forth. Potential income, tignan nyo pang potential income. Ibig sabihin nun, yung possible na pwede mong kitain in the years to come. Okay, mag-uumpisa tayo as and rank, so hanggang level 12. Ilan ang potential income? 2,047.50. So, ilang tao yan? Naalala nyo? By level, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. Level 12, ilang tao? 4,096 times 0.25, kaya ka nagkaroon ng 2,047. Pag nag-rank up ka to bronze or silver, potential income, 4,095.50. And we are talking about potential income. Pag perfect yung matrix. Pag puno na lahat ng butas ng matrix mo. Okay? So, sa bronze and silver, potential income is $4,095.50. Ilang tao? 8,192. Compute mo lang yan. 8,192 times 0.25, you get 4,095.50. And then gold platinum, potential income, 8,191.50. And diamond, 16,383.50. These are potential income once na full ang matrix mo. Again, it will develop over time. We all start with 2. I started with 2, 50 cents, no? And then eventually, dumadami siya. So, ang matrix, if you are consistent doing it, then lumalaki yung matrix mo, no? Bakit hindi mo gagawin? Magkano lang naman yung 9.95 na pag-subscribe just to have an access to products. Hindi mo ma-appreciate ang 9.95 na membership mo kung hindi mo tinitikman yung products natin, right? So might as well, when you subscribe the 9.95, you might as well want to try the product. You should be the product of the product. Okay? So, uulitin natin. Kung nalabuan kayo dun sa previous slide, ito yung clearer o kung mas gusto nyong mas comfortable kayong makita. Level 1 to 12, potential income 2,047. Bronze and silver, potential income 4,095. Gold and platinum, 8,191.50 and diamond 16,383.50. Read the fine prints. Anong sinasabi dito? Earnings with full matrix. Nakita nyo na kung ilang tao yon, no? Again, based on the rank you are in will determine how many levels you can earn each month. Okay. So the good news is, no, since ito pinag-usapan natin the slow way to build the business, pag-usapan natin ngayon yung fast way to build the business. And I want you to focus on this part of the compensation plan. Dahil dito sa part ng compensation plan na to, this is life-changing. This is where the huge money is. Kaya nga tinawag na wealthy money or the matching bonus. Hindi tayo magpapares-pares dito. Iba yung terminology ng matching bonus dito. The matching bonus is a monthly bonus of 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Okay. Ikaw po yung nasa itaas na naka-blue, may sarili ka pong matrix. Remember, may sarili tayong matrix. Bawat affiliate may sariling matrix. Lahat ng i-enroll mo, meron din niyang sariling matrix. Ngayon, sa matching bonus, ang sinasabi dito, lahat ng personals mo, lahat ng directly sponsored mo, merong matrix income. So, yung matrix income nila, 50% ng matrix income ng mga direct sponsored mo, ng mga personally sponsored mo, mamatchan ni company ng 50%. Pamatchan ni company ang 50% ng matrix income ng direct mo. Okay, number 1. Illustration. Ikaw po yan, first direct mo, nag-sponsor din siya, may sarili siyang matrix, natuwa siya, meron siyang matrix income ngayon na $1,000. Ilan ang 50% niyan na mamatcha ni company? $500. Ganun po yun. Hindi po niya babawasan sa matrix income. Mamatchan ni Livcode. Second direct, ginawa niya. $500 ang naging matrix commission niya. Mamatchan ni company 50% of that. $250 bibigyan ka niya. Third, 100, 50%, $50. 200. Anong nangyari dito? Okay. Nagsalita si Siri. Okay, so third direct, $100, 50%, $50. And then $200, yung fourth direct mo, 100%, 100 ang 50% niyan, mamatcha ni company. So, whatever amount, 50% mamatchan. Paano, Janet, pag 50 cents lang dahil nag-umpisa ako? O di 25 cents ang sayo. $1, 50 cents. Paano pag 50 cents? 25 cents. $20, 50%, $10. Any matrix income ng direct mo, 50% babawasan. Wala tayong cap. Regardless yan, kahit pa 50 cents yan, basta kala. Paano, Janet, pag 25 cents lang dahil isa lang yung, di hatiin mo yung 25 cents. Ganun po siya kaganda. No? From the smallest to the highest, paano naman pag $3,000? Di 1,500 ang sayo. Ganun po siya kaganda. It's limitless. Kaya magandang mag-direct, you could direct infinite wide, limitless, unlimited. Because every person that you directly sponsor, merong kang, at that will be your gateway, that will be your ticket to your matching bonuses. No? Yan. Okay, I hope malinaw po yan. Ha? At hindi tayo nagtatapos dyan. Again, the matching bonus is the heart of the compensation plan. Pag ito ang ginawa mo, you sponsor people, then nafe-fill din yung matrix mo. Kaya you focus on this kung gusto mong you want to be on top of the compensation plan. Kasi every time na mag-directly sponsor ka, nafe-fill in din yung matrix mo. So dito po tayo mag-focus. At hindi lang dyan natatapos because in this matching bonus, meron kang generational bonus. Mag-uumpisa ang generational bonus when you are in silver rank. No? Yan. So 10% yan. Remember, may 50% ka na matching. Ngayon, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, generation, buong angkan. Do not confuse level. Level is to matrix income, generation is to matching bonuses. So, pag silver ka, on top of the 50%, meron kang makukuhang 10% pa sa lahat ng silver mo, dun sa second generation. Pag gold, additional 5%, platinum, additional 5%, and diamond, additional 3%. Meaning, pag diamond ka, binabayaran ka ng 50% sa direct, 10% sa silver, all silver generation, 5% sa gold, 5% as platinum, and diamond, 3%. Can you imagine gaano kalaki yan? Buong angkan po yan, ha? Pinag-uusapan natin. That is why you have to focus on sharing the business. Because dito nyo mamamaximize yung compensation plan. Malinaw. Yan, okay? So, pagdating sa matching and generational bonus, this is really life-changing. No? Ganito yan. Ang matrix commission will just help you pay your bills. But the matching and generational bonus will change your life. Ganun ko po siya illustrate. Kung gusto mong mabago ang buhay mo, focus on this part of the compensation plan. Although eventually, yung matrix commission will also be life-changing. Pero, matagal. Okay? Again, depende sa takbo ng matrix mo. Pag ang napasok sa matrix mo, mga enroller tree mo, puro builder, then mabilis. Pero pag mabagal din ang dating. That's why I call matrix commission as bonus. No? So focus on this one, matching bonus. Share it with every human that you know. I-check nyo yung inyong contacts and then message them. Have you heard of Live Good? Yeah. Less talk, more income. Huwag kayong mag-explain sa text. Have you heard of Live Good? Hindi pa. Okay, i-check mo to. Once na nag-enroll yan, then that's your ticket for the matching bonuses, no? Yan, okay. I hope malinaw po yun, no? Especially that matching and generational bonus. Okay, so retail commissions, mabilis na to. Ito yung dito sa retail website na binanggit natin, lahat ng mga buyers, meron yung mga gustong bumili lang talaga at i-try muna. Once na binigay mo yung retail website mo, yung difference ng retail at saka members price, maghahati kayo ni Live Good. So, retail price is, halimbawa, yung coffee, excuse me, $28. Ilan ang members price nun? $18. Get the difference. 28 minus 18, meron kang $10 difference. So, yung $10, maghahati kayo 50% nun, $5 mapupunta sa'yo, $5 si company kasi we don't really earn from member to member, no? Yan. Tinapos na yan ni Live Good, no? We can only earn, or not really earn, but the company is giving you that commission sa mga first-time buyers. We have that in the compensation plan. Okay, so dito sa retail, ganyan lang. Difference ng price, members price, retail and members price. Siyempre, depende uli sa rank mo, may additional ka, bukod dun sa 50%. Bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. So, as we go along, as we rank up, tumataas din ang retail commission, depende sa rank mo. Okay, influencer bonuses. Pag meron kang social media account, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, whatever you are using. So, if you promote that sa iyong social media account, meron kang additional percentage depende sa retail sales mo per month. So, from 2,500, 10%. Kasi 50 plus 10, that makes it 60%. So, mag-uumpisa tayo sa 2,500 up till 50,000 na retail sales mo per month. Now, pag nagka 50,000 retail sales ka, additional 50%, making it 100%. Dahil nga, yung 50% mo, di ba, for the direct, plus additional 50% dahil meron kang 50,000. Kaya, you can earn up to 100% between member price and retail price. Yan, ito na yung sinasabi ko po ngayon na customer acquisition bonuses. Ito yung you will earn from the first purchase ng direct mo. So, lahat ng affiliate na napa-enroll nyo and magpo-purchase sila for the first time, may ibibigay sa'yo si company na customer acquisition bonuses. Dadagdag yan doon sa fast start mo. But it will only be on the first purchase. Sa initial lang Kasi hindi natin pinagkakakitaan yung mga downlines or distributors natin under us. No, we don't do that. So, paano yan? Okay. Halimbawa, ako po yung direct nyo. Natuwa ako dahil gusto ko yung products. Nag-order ako ng 200 worth of products. Ang sabi sa customer acquisition bonuses or CAB, 10% of that order. So, 10% ng 200, magkano? 20. No? Yung 20 na yon, sabi niya dito, following the same structure as our fast start commission and retail commission. So, yung 20 na yon, following the fast start and commission, hahatiin. Yung 10% mapupunta sa iyo na direct upline ko. And yung $10, saan mapupunta? Following the fast start. Kung sino yung nasa second na, kung sino yung mga uplines ng mga upline mo na hanggang 9, hanggang 10th levels pa o 9. Yan. So, ipa-follow nila yon. Ganyan siya. Depende uli sa rank. So, sa'yo yung 50% and sa'yo yung $10 and then yung $10 kung saan ang dadaanan nun, depende sa rank nung enroller tree mo. That's how good it is. So, kung halimbawa, ako nasa second gen mo, ibig sabihin nun, at ikaw platinum, di ba? So, meron ka pa ring percentage nun. Right? Yan, hanggang level 7. Ngayon, kung bronze ako, yan, kung tama, kung bronze ako, lahat ng dadaanan nung leg na yon, meron kang additional percentage. So, ganun lang po siya. Okay? Yan. And of course, this is the place we all want to be, no? The piece of the pie money or the diamond bonus pool. 2%, lahat ng sales, whether membership sales or product sales, this will be equally divided among all diamonds. So to illustrate that, for example, Live Good has a $15 million sales. Get the 2% of that, 300,000. And example, there are 60 diamonds based on the illustration. So 300,000 divided by 60 diamonds in the company, each diamond will have $5,000. Bukod or on top of their fast start, matrix, matching, generational, CAB, retailer, bonus, o kung anong bonus pa yan. This is huge. Once na diamond ka, you become a profit sharer ng company. How would you like that? So, the reason why we are a team, no? Kailangan magtulungan tayo dito. Forget about sideline, crossline, whatever lines there is. Because once, dapat ang mindset nyo lahat diamond. Hindi pwedeng, pag nag-diamond na lang ako, saka ako to. No, you have to help because dito, once na diamond kayo, you get a piece of the pie. You get a piece, you get a share of the pie. So ngayon pa lang, mag-practice na kayo. I encourage everyone, if you could help, kahit na hindi nyo siya kalinya, please do so. Especially so, pag diamond ka. Because every person that you help, depende yan kung paano ang response mo. Pag nadismaya yan dahil feeling niya mag-isa siya, anong gagawin niya? Bibitaw. Kung natulungan mo sana dahil alam, di makakatulong ka, di dumagdag sa sales pa yon. That is what I am encouraging everyone. And I know a lot of you here, ang daming hindi ko ka-team dito, and yet, basta available ako, nagre-reply ako sa inyo, hindi ba? Yes, Sir Ken, kaya mabilis kami. Yeah, this is a team. That's why nga team Together, everyone achieve more. Right now, dapat ang mindset nyo, lahat diamond, no? Lahat tayo, ganun dapat. Para mabilis ding mag-manifest. So, sino sa inyo dito ang gustong mag-diamond? Sige nga, sigurado ako si Sir Ken. Yan, mindset, diamond. Of course, di ba? Yeah, mindset is everything, di ba? yan ang unang uumpisa nyo talaga. You have to have the mindset, have an abundance. Diamond, June Alcaide, Ma'am Magda, yan, ako po coach. Nako, ang daming diamond. Levy, Coach Philip, Peter, Pinky, ayan, sino pa? Ayan, dami. Ma'am Felisa, Sir Peter, Sir Merce, ayan. Ma'am Lailani, yan. Okay, congratulations, diamonds. Yan, okay. Miss Anne, Ma'am Lina, of course. Yan, of course. Let us all declare bago mag-manifest sa back office that we are all diamonds. We are getting there. No? Basta wag kayong bibitaw because you are in a very powerful position na solid ang ground natin. Ben knows how it takes to make people win. Yan ang pinanghahawakan ko po. No? Being with his company, he knows how to help people win. And nakita nyo naman, naka-ready ang system natin para sa scalability. Ibig sabihin, papunta tayo na kahit mag-expand yan, hindi makukurap, hindi mag-aano yung system natin dahil naka-ready. Dineclare na niya, sinabi na niya, this year, we will be having 2 to 3 million members. 2025, ilan? Ang projection niya, 10 million. Naka-ready ang system natin. So, you do not have to worry na, naku, baka after 2 years, baka mag-flash out. Baka, wala pong ganon. Yes, of course, and that's something that we should be excited about. So, there is no reason for you to quit on a 9.95 subscription. Sinasabi ko na sa inyo, lalo na ngayon sa nangyayari, bakit number 1 ang US? Dahil mismong si Ben tumutulong sa pag-promote. Alam nyo kung anong effect niyan? No? It will help fill the matrix. Pero hindi ko po sinasabi na mag-antay kayo doon. No? Iba pa rin pag tinatrabaho mo. Kung gusto mo ng life-changing income, do your part. Hindi naman maganda na nag-aantay ka lang. It is not good that you build your business at the expense of others. Diba? So, kailangan tayo may contribution bawat isa. Right? Ang maganda sa atin is we have the power of leveraging. Yes, duplication. Ang kilang dito is we duplicate. Start with the power of 2, get 2, help 2, and then repeat. Kung kaya nyo, ang power of 5, at ang pinopromote ni Coach Fernan, pinopromote natin dito, power of 5. Get 5 and help those 5 to get 5. Yan. Okay? Kung nag-uumpisa kayo sa 2, get 2, help 2, until you become a diamond. Ganun yun. Whatever you're comfortable with, it's all up to you. No? Know yourself. Yan. Hindi pa tayo nagtatapos dyan. Last one, rich and famous money. Crowd Diamond Bonus Pool. 0.5% of total sales from all membership and product sales divided equally among all Crown Diamonds. And we know that we only got 2 Crown Diamonds. We have Tim Miller, the first Crown Diamond in Live Good. And we have our very own Coach Fernan Santiago, the first Crown Diamond in the Philippines and the second Crown Diamond in Live Good. So, sa illustration dito, paano ang bigayan sa Crown Diamond? So, 15 million sales. Example lang to So, get that 0.5%. Okay, so $75,000. Hahatiin kung ilang Crown Diamond meron. Divided by 2. So, since there are only 2 Crown Diamond. So, ilan ang bawat Crown Diamond? 37.5. On top of their fast start matrix, matching, tab, retailer, or influencer bonus kung meron man. That is huge, no? Yan, okay. So, magka-Crown Diamond ba tayo? Of course, ano sabi ni Ben? Build the legacy. Live Good is here to stay whether you go on doing it or not. We could come here 5 years, we will stay here 5 years, 10 years, or even a century. Sabi niya. Sinabi niya yun hindi ko yun inimbento, galing sa corporate meeting yan. So, ay nako, yan, go for Crown Diamond, yes. Yan, okay, so we're almost done. Didiinan ko lang, I will give you the top 5 reasons to join. We just officially launched, we're just starting, we're just building the foundation. So, there's no reason bakit wala ka dito ngayon. I don't see any reason bakit wala ka dito ngayon, no? Yan. So, number 2, we have high quality and very affordable products. Nakita nyo naman, although konti lang yung binanggit natin, we have a lot in the pipeline. Nag-umpisa lang tayo sa wellness products, but we will be having more products in different industries. Travel industry, ano pa, sa clothing, gadgets. We will be the Amazon of network marketing. How is that? We will be the next Amazon. Ano ba? Kumusta naman, di ba? Pag ganon ang future natin. Right? So you have to think long term. Yan. And number 3, we have a very powerful marketing system. Bakit nagiging successful ang mga companies, big companies? Because of a system. We have a very powerful system kung saan we will just need to plug in. Just learn it and the system will work for you, no? Will help you. We have tools and training. Andyan lahat. May back office ka. Pag-aralan nyo lahat ng tiles doon. Home, products, shop, how to earn, how to rank up. Andyan lahat. Plug in ka lang. And then, training. Monday to Saturday training. Members training, personal growth training, andyan. Plus the corporate training. Thursday and Friday with Ben mismo, Firestarter Friday with Ben pa rin and the corporate team and the international leaders. Tayo dito sa DMW, every single day, different speakers. Attendan nyo yan. And then come up with your own presentation, or if not, you could duplicate any speaker dito. I encourage you to attend every day para ma-internalize nyo yung business, no? Yan. And of course, we have a very simple, powerful, and lucrative plan. Very simple, doable, and generous. No? Ilan ang binabalik ng company? Almost 73%. Very lean lang ang profit nila. Ilan ang pinayout ng company on its first year? $50 million on its first year alone. I hope you could appreciate yung ating model because ay nako, the future of subscription is really very powerful. Uulitin ko po yan ulit. And the only way for you to do is to be on the forefront. The second wave is coming. Be on the front of the wave. Sumabay ka po, no? Yan. Again, we are in a solid ground. We are on a solid foundation. Kaya sumabay na po kayo at mainit-init ang Live Good. Yan, okay? So, number 5 reason, we have a very successful, fun, and winning team. This is our international team, no? Yan, we have Jessie Garcia there, we have Kelly Toller, yan. And of course, sa ating DMW team, the winning team of DMW, no? Konti pa lang yan, 1,000 pa lang yan. Yung mga international, wala pa po dyan. So, ay nako. That's why you really need to plug in. The reason why we're doing this as service for you guys, for all of us to win. Kaya I hope you would resonate with us, resonate with the service that we are giving you. Kung saan kayo matututo, resonate with them, align with them, para mas magawa nyo ang negosyo ng Live Good, right? Yan, okay. So, yan, may Vegas event tayo. Kung gusto nyo mag-plug in sa online, merong ticket. Yan, you could just ask. Okay, yan. Very generous talaga. Maswerte tayo sa Live Good, sabi ni Sir Rodrigo. Yes, you only need to understand it. Alam nyo, wala po tayo sa convincing game. We do not convince you. We just want to share with you dahil once you see Live Good at talagang inaral mo siya, hindi ka bibitaw, no? Now, for the new ones, are you an A, B, or C? I would like to promote, I would like to encourage you to be an A for you to be able to maximize being with Live Good, no? But kung gusto niyo subukan, that's okay. but I highly encourage you to choose A. Yan. Are you an A, B, or C? Yan. Pero A na lang. Wag ng B, wag ng C. Okay, this is the page na ito yung kumbaga yung recap natin. If you just want to learn about the business at kung paano nyo sabihin, just take a screenshot of this. Ito na yung kumbaga summary of what we have talked about. LiveGood is a subscription-based company. Ano yung mission natin? Andyan, it is very simple to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. And then we have wellness products. Ano ang concept natin? Ano ang LiveGood? Yung ranks, ilang ways to earn, and benefits. So you try to capture this one and then you try to develop the skill na ginagawa mo siya na parang nakikipagkwentuhan ka lang. Now, how will you able to do that? Mag-attend ka sa Zoom para ma-master mo, no? You have to be natural. Do not be so hard sell, no? Kasi ang nakikita ng tao actually when you are talking to them is your energy. Kaya there is always a first time, pero sabi nga, constant practice makes perfect and repetition is the mother of learning, sabi nga. Yan, of course. Okay, almost last. Ito, for the first-timers or dun sa mga nag-uumpisa, this is very important to me. At I know this is also very important for you na sa umpisa pa lang, always start with the right foot. Always start with the right mindset. Kung meron kayong negative mindset, then correct that mindset. Kasi ang success nyo po, mag-uumpisa lagi yan sa pattern, no? Whether behavioral pattern, thought pattern, the way you think, doon mag-uumpisa ang pagdi-decide mo eh. Kung tama yung patterns mo, makakapag-decide ka ng tama. Pag makakapag-decide ka ng tama, makakapagplano ka ng tama. Pag makakapagplano ka ng tama, then you will take the right action. Pag tama yung action mo, magkakaroon ng magandang resulta sa'yo. That's why it all boils down with the proper mindset. Number 1 yan, yung paniwalaan mo yung sarili mo. Believe in yourself that you could do LiveGood. Believe in yourself that you are worthy of doing LiveGood. Kasi pag dyan pa lang, fail ka na, everything else follow. Number 2, know your why. Bakit mo ginagawa ang LiveGood? Para ka kanino? Bakit mo gagawin ang LiveGood? Para kanino ka gumigising ng araw? Bakit mo gagawin ang LiveGood? Para mabayaran ang utang mo? Para matulungan ang pamilya mo? Para magkaroon ka ng retirement? Para magkaroon ka ng financial and time freedom. Whatever your why, dapat ma-define mo yon, dapat malinaw yon. Para yun lagi ang paghuhugutan mo on the time na nagkakaroon ng rejection. Dahil asahan nyo, merong mga rejections dito. But then, kung mas matimbang ang dahilan mo kaya mo ginagawa ang LiveGood, walang kwenta ang rejection, gaano pan karami yan. Right? And of course, set your goals. Kailan mo balak mag-bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond? Bakit ka magsiset ng goals? Mag-set ka ng deadline para magkaroon ng sense of urgency. Kasi pag may deadline ka, you are trying to push yourself para i-meet mo yung deadline. Dahil later on, ang goal, hindi lang naman yun yung end eh. Once na natapos mo yung goal mo, mag-goal ka ulit. So kung hindi man na-meet yung goal mo on that, sabi natin 90 days, then goal for another 90 days. Ang importante, nag-goal ka kesa wala kang goal. At pag may goal ka, isusulat nyo yan. Kasi iba ang energy pag nagsusulat ka. Right? Yan. Okay. So, ang burning desire, naglalagablab na pagnanasa, dapat hindi kayo nanlalamig sa LiveGood. And the only way you can do that is lagi kang naka-plug in. Commitment mo, 3 levels yan. Kung ang commitment mo, I will try, napakababaw na commitment. I will do my best, it is not enough. Sabi nga ni James Ingram, what if your best is not good enough, diba? Yan. And of course, dapat ang mindset natin dito, whatever it takes, gagawin ko ang LiveGood. Whatever it takes, gaano man, 1,000 rejections yan, gagawin ko ang LiveGood dahil ang LiveGood para sa pamilya ko. Dahil ang LiveGood, ipapamana ko sa pamilya ko. Dapat ganon. Whatever it takes, magsasucceed ako sa Live Good. Ganun ang level of commitment natin. And lastly, never listen to negative people. Alam niyo po, nakakahawa ang energy ng whether negative or positive. Nakaka-drain. Pansinin nyo, kung mausap ka ng isang taong puro negative at puro problema, na-absorb mo siya, no? Now, especially yung mga dream stealers na, ay, wala yan, ay, scam yan, ay, tatawanan ka niyan, ayang ka na naman nang i-scam ka. Sino ba nakakita ng opportunity ng Live Good? Yung nagsabi niyan o ikaw? So, never listen to negative people. Yan. Okay? And pinaka-importante, lagi ko, ito, mantra ko lagi ito, just follow the GPS. Diba, ang GPS ginagamit natin sa daan, no? Para alam mo kung saan ka pupunta. Meron ding GPS dito sa Live Good. Get in, plug in, stay in. Sa mga hindi pa nag-in, get in na, not tomorrow, but now. Plug in, binanggit ko na, paano ka magpa-plug in, attend trainings, develop a skill, no? Merong mga trainings tayo dyan every Thursday kay Coach Elmo. So may new affiliate training. So i-plug in nyo yung sarili nyo. Learn a skill. Napaka-importante niyan. Attend trainings, update, product focus, lahat i-plug in nyo. Because once you are plugging in or once you're plugged in, staying in will not be difficult. Pag hindi ka naka-plug in, staying in is a struggle. Pag hindi ka naka-plug in, ang tingin mo sa 995 gastos. Ang tingin mo sa 995 pabigat. Ang tingin mo sa 995 hindi makakatulong sa iyo. Kaya dapat ang mantra nyo po is get in, plug in, stay in. Follow the GPS. That is your roadmap to success and Live Good. Yan. Okay, so thank you very much. Get back with the person that invited you and let them know you're an A, B, or C. Thank you again. Thank you. So, I hope you nagustuhan nyo yung presentation tonight. And please be aligned with the mission. The mission of Live Good is to get healthy and stay healthy without spending a fortune to do it. And be aligned with the vision of Live Good is for everyone to have a solid residual income. Start slow, start fast. It's all up to you, but we highly encourage that you take massive action. Okay lang yan. We attract everything. Put it in your mind. The law of attraction really works. But take note, the word attraction, yung last word niyan is action. So let us all take massive action. 3 things na iiwanan ko sa inyo. Let's get serious, more serious right now because second wave is coming. Get things done. Take massive action. And do not sleep until you win. Do not take literally. Ibig sabihin, pag sinabi kong do not sleep until you win, just be consistent. Consistency is the key. Maraming salamat po. This is your Coach Janet saying, see you at the top. Ayan. Okay, so stop muna natin yung ating recording.